To replace the battery on your EUFY 15C Max, we're going to turn it over and we're going to turn it off. The battery is located under this panel here. So we need to get a crosshead screwdriver and undo the 2 screws counterclockwise. We're then going to lift it up from the front, going back here, and this is our battery located here. Get the fabric tabs and pull outwards, and then we need to undo this connector here. So we need to squeeze it top and bottom like so, and then this will slide out like that. We need to replace the battery and get the readings from here, and then we need to place it back in, making sure it goes in the correct way. Just click it back into place, get the battery connector out of the way, put the battery into the tabs that are up the top to make it easy to replace in the future, and make sure that these wires are not fouling anything when it goes back in. Put the cover back on and do up to 2 screws clockwise. Turn it on and you will now find that hopefully your EUFY is working again. Thanks for watching.